Look, if you go on social media tapos paulit-ulit ka nagpo-post na bilyonaryo ka na, I mean at some point, you're gonna get some attention for sure. Even if you're reporting all your income, kasi pwedeng sabihin sa comments, ba't hindi pwede pagmayabang? Tama naman yung binabayarang buwis. Ang mahirap dito sa Pilipinas, kahit tama yung binabayaran mong buwis, they'd still come for you. What more kung yung company mo pala, nakita nila, hindi ka pala top taxpayer, tapos maingay ka sa social media. From what I've noticed, yung mga talagang businessman na lumalaki na yung kinikita, mas tumatahimik talaga sila. And this brings me back kung bakit nila ginagawa to. I can think of a couple of reasons only. They're trying to sell you something. No choice. I mean, high risk, high reward naman. It's part of their business model. Kailangan nila ipakita na ganun yung lifestyle nila eh. Possibly another reason is probably too naive. They want their social media to gain traction, or they just want to help people genuinely, and no disrespect naman on that. Pero problema dun, high risk, no reward.